Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. South Claiborne Avenue is one of New Orleans' most important and complex thoroughfares. Stretching from uptown through Central City and into Mid-City, this avenue has long served as a major connector between neighborhoods, commerce, and culture. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, South Claiborne Avenue was a broad boulevard lined with oak trees and served by streetcars. It was a vibrant commercial corridor, especially for Black-owned businesses, music venues, and social clubs. The avenue functioned as both a transportation route and a cultural gathering place for surrounding communities. A major turning point came in the mid-20th century with the construction of the elevated expressway above the avenue. In the 1960s, the Claiborne Expressway was built as part of the Interstate 10 project. Its construction led to the removal of hundreds of oak trees and displaced many residents and businesses, permanently altering the character of the street below. Despite these changes, South Claiborne Avenue remains a vital part of daily life in New Orleans. Small businesses, churches, barbershops, and neighborhood markets continue to operate beneath the elevated roadway. Murals and public art along the columns reflect community pride and ongoing efforts to reclaim and reimagine the space. South Claiborne Avenue also plays a role in the city's cultural traditions. During Mardi Gras, parts of the avenue become staging areas for parades and second lines, carrying forward traditions that existed long before the expressway was built. Music, food, vendors, and community gatherings help keep the avenue active and expressive. After Hurricane Katrina in 2005, surrounding neighborhoods faced significant challenges, but South Claiborne Avenue continued to function as a key commercial and transportation route. In recent years, discussions about restoring the boulevard's original form and addressing the expressway's impact have gained renewed attention. As we continue this drive, South Claiborne Avenue offers a powerful view into New Orleans' layered history. It reflects resilience, cultural strength, and the ongoing relationship between infrastructure and community. This is not just a road, but a living record of the city's past, present, and future. Thanks for watching!